to my channel. So we're gonna do this vlog style. Let's do a Sephora haul, okay? Because I have just been purchasing things from Sephora, not really because I'm on like a Sephora binge or anything, but because I had to re-up on things. As a cosmetologist, I have to keep purchasing beauty products to keep using on my clientele, you know? So I picked up a couple things. There's a couple here and there. So let's get right into it. So first off is skincare, and if you guys have seen some of my like skincare vids so far, you know I'm obsessed with The Ordinary. I have 3 things that I'm obsessed with, all right? It's either gonna be The Ordinary, Laneige, or Bioma. And The Ordinary with the serums, they keep them coming. So I re-upped on the niacinamide 10% plus the 1% zinc. And most people really love the hyaluronic acid, but my skin eats this up. My skin loves niacinamide. It just brightens everything. I don't really have a lot of breakouts, but when I do, this is the go-to. And then dark marks. Like, I might not have actual breakouts, but my skin is prone to, you know, discoloration, dark marks from here and there. This is the baddie right here. Like, me and her, we love each other. And then because I love my salic acid, I got the salic acid 2% solution, and I love it. My skin loves it. I love their pricing. I love that you know exactly what you're getting. I love that it says exactly what it is and exactly what it's going to do to your skin. I love The Ordinary, so I had to re-up. Next thing I got is, and I think you guys just saw it in my vlog, it's upside down because it came busted open. Sephora. But it is the bread box, and I haven't used everything in it yet. I've only really used the scrunchie and the hair oil. Let me show you what the bread box includes. So you get a scrunchie and it says bread on there. It's like a satin, but it doesn't feel like the normal Amazon-y beauty supply store satin. It actually feels more like a silky type of thing. You guys, let me show you how much I love this thing, okay? First of all, it's huge. Let me show you. What? Like, y'all see this hair? Like, what? Yes, this is that. She's huge. I'm not gonna lose her. I love this thing. Like, so yes, for that. I got the creamy deep conditioner, and I opened it. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna do a whole bread video for you guys. I haven't used her yet, but I did open it to smell it, and this smells like Camille Rose. If you guys use the like almond chai butter or the Curlade from Camille Rose, actually most of the Camille Rose, like the original products, smell like this, and it smells like vanilla icing, like cupcake vanilla icing, buttercream vanilla icing. It smells so good. So that's that one, and it is 12 fluid ounces. And then it also came with the bread gentle milky hair cleanser. First of all, packaging, yes. And I had to open it because, you know, I had to smell it. I wanted to smell it. It's Fruit Loops. The shampoo smells like Fruit Loops. That's it. It's the bread hair oil, and it's an everyday gloss. Like they say, it's like a lip gloss, literally like a lip gloss, but for your hair. And it's true. It's true. Like, you guys can't really see it, but I use it all the time, and she looks just like this. It looks like a little perfume bottle. It's so pretty. She's a little oily because I've been using her, but I love this stuff. It's really easy to pour out, actually. It has the little situation there. And to me, it smells like Dino fruit snacks. Yeah, like in the day, like in the day, Dino Fruit Snacks. My birthday just passed. I got one of the gifts. I got the birthday gift from Amika. Well, I got the Amika gift that is offered from Sephora. And it says happy birthday friend on it, which is so cute. It comes with a hair mask, a hair gloss mask, and dry shampoo. I actually have used, I thought I would use all of it up, but like no, I still have like half left in here. The Flash Instant Shine Mask, and I used it right after I colored my hair. This stuff is amazing. Really, really love it. And then it came with the Soul Food, what's it called? Yeah, Soul Food Nourishing Mask. My hair is so in love with the Soul Food mask. I have to purchase the real thing because my hair is just so soft. It's so defined when I'm like shampooing. We're frizzed out right now. This is day 3, okay? But my hair loves the Soul Food mask. I have to get it more. And then it came with the dry shampoo, and I was like, okay, this will work when, you know, I straighten my hair, or if I'm doing a silk press on someone, it'll work for that. So I use it on my curls, right? I have to buy some more. I have to buy the big thing of the dry shampoo, because if I can extend this for like another 4 days and not be putting it in a bun, I could just wear my curls. My hair loves Amika. Like, it's not my first time using Amika, by the way. Like, I have used Amika throughout the years, and I use it's discontinued, but I do use the Bombshell blowout spray. They do have a heat protectant spray now, but it's not the Bombshell. My hair is in love with that stuff. So yeah, I've been using Amika since like 2016, but I never used these products, and now I have to go back on Sephora and purchase them because it's love. Just got in the mail literally just now another. When I told y'all I was re-upping, I am re-upping. So let me open this box real fast. So first off, Sephora. I understand the packaging, but like, we could save on trees on that. Okay, so what I got was, I'm literally gonna do a full bread hair care video for you guys because I got more bread, yay! This baby right here, the bread kit, the actual bread kit was $58. And this, I believe, was right at, what was it, $48 maybe? But yeah, it is the hair cream elastic bounce leave-in. And because I can't do a shampoo routine, like a shampoo and conditioning routine, and not have the leave-in conditioner to go with it. Like, if I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna use the whole thing. That's real pretty. It's kind of giving me Amika vibes. Like when you open it, has that. Ooh, oh, she is big. Oh, she's thick. How many ounces is this for y'all to know? This is 8.4 fluid ounces. Thought I wasn't strong for a second. She looks like this. And she also, it smells like the hair oil. So it smells like Dino Fruit Snacks. Like a hair milk. Like, it's a leave-in, but I'm going to describe it as a hair milk just because that's kind of how it looks. It kind of reminds me of the Curl Love by Camille Rose. Y'all know I love Camille Rose. But yeah, it says hair cream, but it's a leave-in. It's a cream. It's a leave-in hair cream. I had to. It was too flipping cute not to get it. This is the Scalp Serum and the Mud Mask. Like, and then it velcros. Oh baby, it's a whole little bread lunchbox. I adore that. We will have a whole bread video, so I won't get too far into it, but I got the, this is also $58. So this is the mud mask. It's a detox hair and scalp treatment, and we love that. Like, it says this is a clay mask, but not for your face, and I'm super excited to use this on my clients and for me as well. It has that right there because I'm pretty sure, yeah. So it's almost like a professional color type of a thing, and I'm excited. And then we have the Cooling Greens Scalp Serum. So adorable. Oh, nice. Okay, so when you open it, it has a little dropper, which is a need. And then you have the cute little scalp serum. Like, gotta shake it. Yeah, gotta shake it up a little bit. But like, how cute is that, right? Like, I want to smell it. Let me smell it. Yeah, that'll cool you off. This smells like the barbershop that I work at. It smells like peppermint and a little bit of tea tree. Yeah, this smells good. So I'm super excited to use the bread products. Apparently they are very green, black owned hair care line at Sephora. I had to pick it up. But that is the end of this video. That's the end of my Sephora haul for now, because I just really need to re-up on some things, as I said earlier, and I really just wanted to try out new products, new natural products, new clean products for myself and for my clientele. I'm super excited with everything that I got. Of course, I will be doing a whole first impressions and review on bread for you guys. You should be waiting for that next week, I believe. So yeah, week coming up. I got y'all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.